Now, this is the first time that I plant Japanese sweet potato this way. I start planting them in early May using the slips that I started. So this is more like an experimental, and I'm not even sure what the outcome will be in a few months. Probably wonder, why am I planting these in the lawnmower bags? There's no reason for it. You know, I just have some old lawnmower bag available, and rather than throw them away, I make use out of them. If you watch my other videos, you know, I plant them in plastic baskets, in the plant pots, as well as an old dresser that people throw it away, you know, so I just make use out of them. After a couple months, the potato were growing like crazy, as you can see here. You know, they're healthy, luscious, and green. So I'm having a feeling it's going to be really good here when it's harvest time. Really see through it, but the two lawnmower bags were placed in the corner of my fence there, and they're covered with potato vines. It has been about 4.5 months now, and the wait is over. It's time for me to harvest these sweet potatoes. I can hardly wait to see what's inside these baskets or in the lawnmower bags. I hope that there's going to be a lot of sweet potatoes in there. So I have my friend here, Dennis. You want to say hi?
Hi.
This is one tough guy. He's going to come and help me harvest this potato here.
Let's see.
Good job. Is it dumbable?
That's pretty packed.
Is it? Okay. Wow, it's pretty packed in there.
It's pretty packed, yeah.
Well, so far I haven't seen any potato yet, but they may be all the way at the bottom. Usually they're at the bottom.
Yeah, let's see. I can dig around.
Yeah, and maybe after we can dump it, right?
Yeah.
Take it down, make a room for to loose up the.
Yeah, because it's like it's pregnant.
You want me to help you? You'll be okay. Oh, here it comes. It deliver. Ooh, I can see a potato right there, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a nice one too. You can pull out one. Yeah, put it right here. Not the biggest one, but at least we see something.
They're good.
I'm trying to compare to which one grow the most potato here. So this is a lawnmower basket that I got. Ooh, that's a big one, Dennis.
Yeah, let's dig around this.
Yeah. Ooh, actually got a lot. I can see it. Yeah, they're way in the bottom there. Ooh, I'm having a feeling this one we have a lot of big tubers.
Yeah,
There it is. It's a tiny
little
one.
bitty one.
Booger's eye. Yeah, I can see they're right there. Look at this.
Trying to get it to...
Ooh, look at that, Dennis.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Good job. Look at that tough guy.
Wow.
Ooh, that's like a snake. You gotta show him too. You gotta show him first. There you go. Yeah.
But they're really good.
Wow, that was a long one. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, look at that.
There's a nice one.
Okay, hold it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, show. Push. Put it forward. All right. Wow. Actually, this bag's doing really good. I think that's a big one right here, sticking out here.
I think so.
Big long one. Because this one has, you know, the dirt is a lot more steep compared to my basket.
Oh, that's true.
So yeah, you just broke it.
Yes.
It's okay. I'll break your neck later on. Because so that the tuber grow a lot longer compared to my other one. So the one grow in a basket, there were some long one, but there are some that are, you know, not as long.
There you go.
Okay. I think that's a good one right there.
There's the other part of that one.
Yep. See, this is like playing in dirt when you were a kid. Kind of remind you doing that, huh?
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
There you go.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. This one right here. Maybe lift it now. Look at this one right here.
Whoops.
This one right here.
It's just little.
They're good. I'm going to lift it up and maybe just kind of dump out the dirt. See if they're... I take it out, yeah.
I don't know if there's any more in here. Nope, that's all roots.
All roots, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we got a few of them. I thought it would be a lot more, but there's some in there. Well, I think that's all roots. Well, that's not bad. Look at him. He's sweating. So what do you think? Well, we got to be
Oh,
about,
that's good.
not bad. We got about a few pounds.
Yeah, but they taste so good. The flavor's really
Yeah.
good.
I thought we get a lot more than this. Gonna wash this here and give it to my buddy here who worked for his dinner. I think that's probably the hardest he ever worked on in his life.
Hey, can you do a little better job washing that?
I know.
It's in my house.
You know, I thought we would be getting a lot more, but this one,
I'm
you know,
surprised you didn't have more either.
yeah, we'll be growing this in a lawnmower basket. You know, and we put a lot of dirt in there, and I thought it would be a lot more tuber, but anyway, it's pretty good compared to the other basket that I dig out. They're about the same amount. The one that we have the most potato was the one I grow in the pot, like a 15-gallon pot. That one we had like almost double the amount of potato here. But this was pretty good. I had to record you. So much. I got recording you. Yeah, take it home. Say thank you. All right.
Alright. Sam, thank you for letting me have these.
Well, you're welcome.
These are really good.
You deserve it because you work so hard for this few pound of potato here.
Yeah, we
Hey,
get
it probably worth about $20. You get this in the store. But they're expensive.
Well, there we go.
Wow, see, you got a whole bag of them.
Thank you, Sam. And they are delicious.
I am going to be harvesting bag number 2. So I grow 2 bags of sweet potato in the lawnmower bag. It's kind of difficult trying to get the dirt out because it's so compact in there. Trying to pull as much dirt you can get out from the bag, and then we'll hopefully dump it off here in the wheelbarrow. As you see, the other earlier, my friend was doing it, and it looked pretty painful, to be honest with you. But anyway, I can feel that there's some potato in there. Ooh, I can feel a few of them. I can't see it yet. These were just like old lawnmower bag that I don't use anymore, and I thought I'll make use of it, put it to good use, and decide to grow these sweet potato in there. I don't know if it was the best idea, but it works. It's a little bit more difficult to get them out than those plastic baskets that I did. Hopefully it's worth it, because the other bag that my friend harvested earlier, I mean, he got a good amount of potato, but it seemed to me that growing them in the plastic basket or the this one in the plant pot were a lot more easier, and they produce bigger tuber for some reason. I can feel some potato in there. Potato right there. Oops, I just broke this one. Haven't seen anything really. Well, this is a good size, I guess, but you get a big one. Oh, maybe there's a big one right there. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. It's a good size right here. Oh, it's a nice one right there. Go. Lots of roots. Here's another one, nice one. Is that it? Wow. Seems like it's not very many roots, tubers there. Wow. That's all. Wow. Right there. Wow, this one's even, you got even lesser tuber than the other one that my buddy harvested yesterday. Well, I know not to grow this again in these lawnmower basket next year. It's just not worth it. Look at that. Didn't have very many tuber at all. A lot of work. Like I said, this is more like an experiment. So this is to show that we need to find, not to grow it this way again. All right, look at this. That's all I got. There's one nice one, two, and then the rest of them are small and not very many tubers. That's disappointing. I'm surprised how fewer potatoes you get from the second bag of lawnmower here. I thought it would be a lot more. So when we grow these, we put a lot more dirt in it. The other bag did a lot better, but this is the worst of all, that I, get from all the various ways I grow. How sad that is. Well, check this out, guys. What an amazing sunset. Just got done harvesting that second bag of sweet potato. It was disappointing, but the sunset is just beautiful here. Can't complain.